Hello, in front of me I have Nokia 6300 2020 edition, and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, simply press and hold the power button right here at the top of our phone. When this menu appears, scroll down by pressing the directional pad down button, select the power off and press the middle button to confirm. After the phone turns off, we need to open the back cover on it. So let's grab our phone, and here we have the back cover of our phone. To open it, find the latch right here at the bottom of the phone, right above the charging port. We have this latch right here. We can use it to open the case. Just simply use your fingernail to pry it open like this, and then go all around to unlatch the clips, unclip them. Do it carefully to not break any of them. Like that. And after some struggle, the cover will come off. Here we have our phone. And to insert the SIM card and SD card, we need to remove the battery. And to do it, simply grab the battery right here and pry it upwards like that, and it's gonna come out. Now that the battery is removed, as you can see, we have SIM card slots right here, SIM card 1, SIM card 2, and micro SD slot right here. To insert the SIM card into your phone, pick up your nano sized SIM card, for example this one right here. You need to open, or rather unlock, this metal latch right here. To do it, simply use your finger and move this latch to the left side or to the right side if you're using the SIM card too. Basically you need to move it to the middle of the phone to unlock it, and then you will be able to open the latch like this. You can open it upwards if it's unlocked. If it's locked, you won't be able to open it upwards. It will be holding in place. So if I lock this one, for example, I won't be able to open it. So you need to move it to the middle of the phone and then flip it like this. Once you open the slot, pick up your card, come here, place it on the slot. It only fits one way. You have the picture how it should fit. Basically this cut corner needs to go here. So place it on the slot like that. As you can see, it fits. And then close the latch and lock it by moving it to the right side of the phone, and in this case to the left side of the phone, basically from the middle of the phone to the side like this. And now it's locked, you can't open it, and the card is secure right here. Now to insert the SD card, simply pick up your micro SD like this, place it like this right here, and then slide it in like that. Now we can take our battery and put it in. Basically, to put the battery, you need to align the pins on the battery with the pins on the phone like this, as you can see, and then place it in like that. Now you can also close the back cover if you want to, but I won't do that. I'm just gonna rotate the phone and turn it on by pressing and holding the power button, and wait until the phone turns on. And as you can see, the phone turned on, and we have a message that the SD card was detected. That means that the SD card is working. Now let's press the right selection button to confirm. And also we have knowledge that the SIM card is working as well, because we need to enter the PIN code for our SIM card. So let's enter it and then press done to confirm and unlock the SIM card. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.